So class, welcome back now, and I hope you must have finished all your maths work by now and must have understood the topic near and far. Isn't it so? Very good. So what is the meaning of near? Near means something which is close to us, जो हमारे पास है. And what is the meaning of far? Far means जो हमसे दूर है. Understood? Okay. Now moving towards our next subject, that is environmental studies. This is your EVS class. Okay. So in EVS we are doing the topic of fruits. You remember we are doing the topic of fruits, and in this topic till now we have learnt about colors of fruits. You all know what are the different colors fruits are. Then we have learnt about the taste, which fruit is sour, which fruit is sweet in taste. So we have learnt about the taste of the fruits. Is that so? Okay. Then after that we have learnt about the size. That some fruits are big in size, some fruits are small in size. So we have done this concept of size of different fruits also. After that I have told you about the fruits which we eat without peeling and the fruits which we eat after peeling. यानी वो fruits जिनके हम peels को remove करते हैं. Peel मतलब छिलका. What is the meaning of peel? छिलका. So there are some fruits whose peels are removed and there are some fruits whose peel we don't remove. We eat them with their peels. Isn't it? Then I have told you about the seeds also. That there are some fruits that have many seeds. There are some fruits that have few seeds. Then there are some fruits that have only one seed. And we also have the fruits that don't have any seeds. Isn't it? So we have verified or we have divided fruits or we have learned about fruits on these grounds. That is color. Color we have done, taste we have done, size we have done about their seeds, we have learned about their peels. So we have done 5 different ways we have learned about fruits. So today what I am going to do, I am going to teach you one new method, one new thing about fruits. And what is that? Today we are going to discuss about those fruits that are same in color. So you have done the concept of colors. In the previous month we have been doing colors and shapes. So you all are very much aware about different colors. So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to identify similar color fruits together. So fruits, they are different in taste. Today what we are going to learn, the fruits which are different in taste. They can be eaten with peel or without peel. They have few, many, one seeds or might be no seeds. Clear? But what is the similarity among the fruits today is their color. So today we are going to see कि one particular color, how many fruits we have. Clear? So let's begin with the topic. So isn't it sound interesting? So one color and we are going to learn about many fruits in that one color. Let's begin. So I have drawn some small examples, some easy examples here. After doing them, we will see the work in the book as well. Okay. So the first thing we have is a mango. Why mango is always first? Because it is the king of fruits. So king always comes first now. So mango. Can anyone tell me what is the color of mango? Mango is yellow in color, isn't it? Mango is yellow in color. So one more fruit which is yellow in color. Can you tell me about that? Yes, I have drawn on board also, but I'll stand in front. Ab batao. One more fruit that is yellow in color. Very simple. Banana. Yes. So banana is yellow in color. Then we have mango. This is also yellow in color. So what we are going to do? We are going to match them together like this. So what do you know any other fruit which is yellow in color? Any other fruit that is yellow in color? One is mango, one is banana, Something else we can get yellow in color. Yes, class? Sometimes we have sweet lime, that is mosmi. It is sometimes having yellow color peel and sometimes it have green color. But generally the mosmis which are having the sweet lime, which are having green peel, are more fresh. Clear? So we won't say sweet lime as yellow color fruit, but sometimes we find the peel of this fruit as yellow in color. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving to the next one. What are these? Can anyone tell me? Cherry. Yes. So these are small little cherries, very sweet in taste, and they have only one seed. Okay. Any other fruit which is red in color? We have pomegranate, red in color. We have apple, red in color. We have strawberries, red in color. Cherry, we have red in color. So we are having lot of fruits that are red in color. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to match cherry with apple and as well as pomegranate. Clear? Because pomegranate is also red in color. We have cherries red in color. Again, I'm telling you the name like strawberry, apple. So a lot of fruits that are red in color we have. Now, moving to the next one. Can you tell me what is this? It's an orange. And what is the color of orange? Orange is orange in color. So, any fruit which is having orangish color, we have an example, papaya here. So orange is orange in color. Then we have papayas that are orangish in color. You will also find raspberry. There is a fruit whose name is raspberry. These raspberries are also orangish or yellowish in shade. Gooseberries we have. So they are also orangish and yellowish in shade. And they are very sour in taste also. Then if we talk about green color. So can you name any two fruits that are green in color or any three fruits that are green in color? We have grapes, we have guavas, then we have pears, then we also have sweet lime as I told you, because fresh sweet lime is green in color. Okay. Then any other fruit which is green? Watermelon, the outer shell is green in color. So watermelon is counted as a green fruit if it is shown in the whole. अगर आपको पूरे watermelon की photo दी है, then you will consider it as green in color. But if the picture shown to you is in the cut part, अगर आपको उसका cutted portion दिखाया है, then you can refer it as red color fruit. Clear everyone? So like this we have learned about green color fruits also. So anything else? Yes, brown color. You all have learned about brown color. So can you tell me some fruits that are brown in color? Outer peel I am talking about. The outer peel जो उसकी बाहर का छिलका है, that should be brown in color. So can you tell me about some fruits? Okay, one is we have chiku. Chiku is brown in color. We have kiwis. Kiwis are brown in color. आपने देखा बाहर का छिलका brown होता है, but when we peel off that kiwi, that is green from inside. And chiku is brown from outside and lighter brown color from inside. So we have brown color fruit also. So like this there are a lot of colors in fruits as well. So now moving towards our book exercise. These are just few examples I have given you. Moving towards our book exercise. So work to be done on page number 72. So I just write here. Book page number 72. So this is your classwork. After doing the classwork, I also tell you what is your homework for the day in the book itself. So just see how you have to complete your classwork as well as homework. Okay? So class, now open your environmental studies book 2. And if you remember, in the previous class, I have taught you about peel or not. That means fruit that we eat after peeling and the one which we eat with peel. Then we have also learnt about fruits and their seeds. that the fruits that have many seeds and those that have only one seed. Is that clear? So now today we are going to do our page number 72. So page number 72, and here on this page we are going to do the topic same color. So first thing we will be writing today's date, that is 11th August 2020. Clear? Now what the question says, match the fruits of the same color. So we have been given the fruits on both the sides of the pages, right hand side as well as left hand side. What you have to do, you have to match those fruits with each other which are similar in color. Understood that? So this is your classwork. You are also going to write CW here. Now for the matching work, what you can do, take your pencil colors. Clear? So the first is Chiku. What is the color of this Chiku? It is brown in color. So what we are going to do, I am going to take a brown color pencil, and now let us see which fruit is brown in color on this side. So banana, papaya, kiwi, sweet lime or pomegranate. So kiwi is brown in color like Chiku. What we'll do, we'll match these two fruits. So like this we are going to match these two fruits. Okay, so I'll keep it aside. Now moving to the next fruit. So we have a mango here. Can you tell me what is the color of this mango? It's yellow in color. So any other fruit which is yellow in color on this side? We have banana. So let's match them together like this. Clear all? Now moving to the next fruit, we have pear. Pear is green in color. Can you tell me one fruit which is green in color on this side? Sweet lime. So can anyone tell me the Hindi name of this fruit, sweet lime? मौसमी. आप मौसम्बी खाते हो, उसका जूस पीते हो, so मौसम्बी is called sweet lime. And this is also green in color. I told you fresh sweet lime is green in color. So let us match them like this. We have matched this also. Now we have a cherry here. So what is the color of cherry, class? Cherry is red in color. So cherry is red in color, and the other fruit we have pomegranate. So pomegranate is also red. So we are going to match cherry and pomegranate together like this. Done. Now the last one we have is an orange. And any other fruit which is having similar color like orange is papaya. Very good. So what we are going to do, we are going to join them like this. Understood your work? Now moving to your homework, class. So just look at this page. First of all, we have page number 73, and the first thing is we are going to write today's date, that is 11th August 2020, and this is your homework. Clear? So draw the missing picture in each set. Take help from the key. So where is the key? We have this key here. In this key we have a banana, a glass of juice and an apple. So what we have to do, first picture is missing here. Then we have an apple which is having a bite. That means somebody has eaten it. Now in the last we have an apple which is completely eaten. So what do you think, which picture should be here? Out of these three pictures, which picture we should draw here? The picture of an apple. Very good. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw an apple here. Like this. Done. Now we have an orange, and after squeezing that orange we got the orange juice. So you know what you have to draw here. Okay, so this is the work to be done by you now. Now same, one fruit was there and we have a banana which was eaten by somebody, and the person finished the banana and we are left only with the peel. So what we should draw here? You are going to draw that picture here. Understood? Now one more small homework I am giving you, class. That is on page number 74. So on this page, first we are going to write date 11th August 2020, and again this is your homework. So circle the odd one in each set. So what you have to do, you have to see all these pictures. Now there is something written here. First is size. So what you have to do, you have to see all these trees and see which tree is different in size. For example, this is a small. They all are trees, but it's a plant. So we are going to circle it out like this. Now it says flower. So you all know which are different flowers and which is not. So the picture which is not matching these groups, you are going to circle. Third one is seeds. So there are some fruits having many seeds and some having one. So sorry, you have to do this worksheet of odd one out in your book and share it. So class, you have understood your today's classwork and today's homework. So in classwork, what we are going to do, we have done the matching of similar looking fruits that are same in color. Then I have told you about how to, because we have already completed the concept of odd one out. So complete that odd one out work as your homework, and don't forget to share your classwork as well as your homework with me. Clear everyone? Now finish your work and get ready for the next class. Bye all. Take care.